AI video generation feels like it's everywhere right now. Job boards and social media are full of requests for quick ads, product explainers, and cinematic intros, often labelled as easy with AI. But here's the reality. Producing a professional AI video isn't just pressing a button. The real cost comes from the time, the testing, and the skill needed to shape raw AI output into something watchable. AI doesn't eliminate the creative process. It changes how we approach it. A polished 30-second clip might start as hours of trial and error. 5 generations just to get a single usable 10-second shot. What you see is the highlight reel. What you don't see are the failed takes. And that's where the time investment really adds up. Then there's cleanup. AI can create stunning visuals, but details like hands, faces, or small objects often come out distorted. Fixing those frames requires retouching in Photoshop or Illustrator. That behind-the-scenes effort is what makes the final video feel natural instead of AI-generated. And sound is its own world. Voiceovers, music, and effects don't just appear ready to use. AI tools provide raw materials, but syncing, balancing, and mixing require human judgment. Audio is half the story, and it takes expertise to make it feel professional. Finally, post-production. Motion graphics, smooth transitions, color grading, and compositing transform test clips into a finished piece. This is the stage that makes the video brand ready, and it's where experience really matters. So when people ask, how much does an AI video cost? The answer isn't just about software fees. It's about the creativity, iteration, and technical skills behind the scenes. Every polished AI video has a creator wearing many hats: writer, director, designer, sound engineer, and editor. That's where the true value lies. AI video isn't instant. It's craft.